Quick India is launched by Mahatma Gandhi on August 8, 1942. Mahatma Gandhi gave a famous slogan "Do or Die" during the movement. Quick India movement is also known as August Movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. It was August 8, 1942. During the World War II, Gandhiji launched the movement. It was the Quick India movement united the India individually against the British rule. Many Indian leaders, including Nehru, Maulana Azad, participated in this movement. On September 1942, the final phase of the movement was noticed. This was proclaimed an unlawful FETNC and pioneers were captured. The Kranti Maidan, the August Kranti Maidan houses a landmark has a tribute to the historic occasion.
India movement is a movement launched by Mahatma Gandhiji on 8 August 1942 during the World War II, demanding the end to the British rule in India. This movement included boycotting the British government and rejection of transactions including the government. The British government arrested tens of thousands of leaders during this movement and imprisoned them till 1945. The movement finally ended in 1945 with the release of jailed freedom fighters. This movement was aimed to be a peaceful and non-violent movement by the Indian National Congress, but failed to be, as unfortunately over 1,000 people were killed during this movement. The famous slogan given by Mahatma Gandhiji, "Do or Die," was emerged during this movement. Thank you.
The Quit India movement started on 8th August 1942. It was led by Mahatma Gandhiji. The slogan "Do or Die" was the key slogan invented by Mahatma Gandhiji. Demand for an end rule to British in India. Protest strikes and civils occurred across in India. The movement is called so because the British demanded India quit or leave India immediately. Thank you.
Also known as August Movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. It was started by Mahatma Gandhiji during World War II. It was started in August 8, 1942. Today was started on speech where the Gandhiji asked people to do or on the next day, 9th August 1942, Gandhiji, Nehruji and some leaders were arrested by the British government. The first half of the movement was very peaceful till the Mahatma Gandhi's release from the jail. The second half of the movement was very violent.
India movement began in 1942. It is also known as August Movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. It was event in India's struggle for independence. Its aim was demand to end British rule in India. The movement called for a non-violent rebellion against British colonialism. Many Indian leaders, including Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, participated. It demonstrated the power of non-violent resistance in achieving political goals. Ultimately, this movement contributed to India gaining independence in 1947.